Hi, I'm Dr. Reza Houston, and I'm a professor of finance at the Miller College of Business at Ball State. Over the last several years, my research has focused on government contracting and the implications for private companies. My colleagues and I recently conducted a study examining factors that help companies win bid protests. So what is a bid protest? A bid protest occurs when a company or other party feels that the awarded contract or initial solicitation of bids by a government agency was unfair. Often, government contractors that fail to win contracts will protest the award decision. Often, these contractors will claim that the government's solicitation was improperly written or that the agency failed to take certain factors into consideration. These contractors will protest a federal agency's decision at the Government Accountability Office, or GAO. Our study is the first broad analysis of the effectiveness of these protests. Now, bid protests can be very lucrative. One example comes from Boeing. Back in 2008, Boeing and Northrop Grumman were competing to win a contract to provide the next generation of aerial refueling tankers to the Air Force. The Air Force originally awarded the contract to Northrop, but Boeing protested the award on technical grounds. They won their bid protest, and bidding was reopened, with Boeing winning the contract, which was valued at approximately $35 billion. The contract was expected to last for approximately 2 decades. So what do we do in our study? Well, our study examines bid protests from 2019 to 2023. We used historical data, GAO case dockets, and AI to build a predictive model to determine whether a bid protest is likely to be successful. When a firm successfully protests, the solicitation process will often restart, and the protesting firm will have another opportunity to win the contract. We find several factors that predict bid protest success. So let's talk about them. Protests of the awarding agency's decision-making are likely to fail, while protests that identify issues in the solicitation are far more likely to succeed. Large firms are more likely to succeed, while firms that are run by disadvantaged groups, like women-owned businesses or veteran-owned businesses, are less likely to be successful. So what are the implications? Well, the U.S. federal government paid contractors $774 billion in fiscal year 2024. Because a successful bid protest can increase firm revenue by billions of dollars, a model that indicates protest success at the GAO should be incredibly valuable to companies. Knowing when to protest is clearly beneficial for firms. When contracts are allocated more efficiently, this is also better for taxpayers, since the goal of government agencies should be to get the best value possible.